Another beautiful day at the big lake. The foxes were just patrolling the beach, terrorizing the poor ducks, trying to nab off the baby ducks. Unfortunately, they killed a mother of one of the litter of ducks, and there's like 6 babies now wandering around aimlessly without a mother duck to take care of them, and they're probably not going to make it. It's really sad. I mean, nature can be so damn cruel. I wish I could help them somehow, but you'll never catch them. You'll just freak them out, and then you'll just accelerate them dying. I mean, sometimes there's a chance that another group can like adopt them, another mother with her babies, if they're like the same age, and that does happen. But it's pretty rare. Just a beautiful day. Anyways, not sure what today's project is, but I'll get on it, figure it out. I have some insulation to hang, but man, oh man, that just doesn't sound like fun right now. Where's the sun at? There it is. Well, make the best of this day. Just don't work too hard. Take my advice on that. Talk to you next time.